I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. I just came home. So like the best gift ever. At least for me. Yes, I did get it myself. This is what I've heard is the best possible vacuum cleaner out. All right, let's unbox it. Whoa, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at all these pieces. Okay, this is crazy. I don't think I'll need all these. We have a house filled with cats, dogs, children, everything. Oh my gosh, this is so easy. I can do this. I don't even need my husband. Oh, look at it. It's already all assembled, put together. Love the purple. And here, look how lightweight. Plug it in. All right, let me assemble this very quickly. Put it together and make a follow-up video. As you can see, or maybe you can't see, these floors need a deep conditioning. Lots of children, lots of people coming in and out, lots of hair, lots of dirt. Watch the next video. We'll see how this thing works. But I'm so happy that I can put this together and start vacuuming as soon as I receive it.